Malaysia. Across this vibrant landscape, Hoymiles is committed to delivering energy solutions that empower industrial and commercial progress. This time, our story begins at a factory in Johor, home to Malaysia's first integrated microinverter plus C&I energy storage project. This factory project faces three intertwined challenges: rising electricity costs, its remote location, and harsh conditions: heat, humidity, and dust.
This project is located at southern part of Peninsular Malaysia, whereby it's almost 500 km away from our major port, which is Pathgreen. We have worked very closely with Hoymiles to ensure that from project design, execution and installation is within a 3-month process. We emphasize on so-called high power efficiency. Each of the panel-to-panel monitorings with the MiT 5000, each of the panel can perform at peak level. On top of that, this microinverter is very useful, especially where there is a partial shading or in any dust area. The next thing will be, of course, safety. As we know that microinverter always operate at voltage level below 140 volts. If let's say there is any case happen that, for example, up fault or any fire risk that happen to the rooftop, microinverter can straight away cut down the entire system without hesitating. For the energy storage, the model that we use is HoyUltra True, which is giving us the liquid cooling, can operating without derating up to 50 degrees, and also a IP55 code, which is the protection against dust and water and minimize the disturbance in harsh conditions. Secondly, we call it system safety. Because this HoyUltra 2 battery, they have so-called 6 type of safety precaution system. With this 24/7 safety operations, owner can have peace of mind. The last one will be our effective energy management. So with the EMS that provided by Hoymiles, we will make sure that how we precisely target the heavy usage of the consumption, and we can save the energy cost throughout the BSS. Besides that, Hoymiles also provide a so-called full-fledged one-stop solution. So this is a full-fledged one-stop solution that we are keen to work with. Hoymiles also provide a full cycle from the moment we have meeting up the client, design, project execution, and maintenance. Hopefully, we have more and more cooperation in the near future.